Welcome to this short demonstration on how to manually upload bank transactions into Nomi and reconcile them. Step 1 is to go to the banking section, import. I have previously downloaded the CSV sample and entered the information that I needed into it, but if you have a CSV from your bank, then you can just automatically upload that. Select the bank for the transactions that you want to update. Attach the document. Upload. Map it, so the date section would have the date, description would have the description, and for the amount, I've opted for one column with plus or minus to distinguish between the amount paid in and the amount paid out, but you can have two separate columns if you wish. Then it gives you a summary of all the information. You can have a read through, make sure that it's all correct, and then press import. Then press start reconciliation, and that will bring you to the unreconciled bank transactions section. You select the bank account, search it. Also, you have the period of which that you wish to search, a minimum amount, a maximum amount, and a description box, so you can search by the description. You can also set rules. So a new rule would be if the description has ASDA, then you can allocate the VAT rate, apply to both received and spent amount, and then just enter the nominal code. Sundry expenses. It will keep bringing you back to your default bank account, but then you can just change that to be whatever bank account you wish to. Then run the rules. It will automatically allocate all of them. It will suggest if a match has been found in the supply bill section. So there is a supply bill under default supplier for £5, and it goes all the way down to the bottom, selecting the ones that you've run the rules for. If you wish to search by description, you also have that option. And then you can allocate a nominal code to all of them. And then it will populate all of them. And then you can just select reconcile. These transactions will automatically move to the bank then. And voila, it's done.